Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the Charnwood BG6. That's the bench grinder that's with a 6-inch wheel. It's fitted with a 250 watt, 0.33 of a horsepower induction motor, so it's very quiet running in the workshop. That motor gives it a no-low speed of 2,850 RPM. It's fitted with a 1/2-inch spindle, or for our metric friends, 12.7 millimeters.
Let's talk grit size.
The grey wheel is a 6 by 3/4 inch 36 grit wheel.
So our grey wheel at 36 is a medium grit. You can see the open texture there.
The white wheel is 6-inch again, 6 by 1.5 inch with a 60 grit.
Even with a 60 grit, we are at the upper end of the medium grit size. This should ensure that we get a good finish on our tools. Just look at that texture on that stone. Fine grit is normally between 80 and 120, and anything over 150 is super fine.
It's got a cooling tray.
Once open, the coolant tray allows ample area for you to cool down that drill bit or chisel that you've been sharpening.
It has a very nice fitted light here that will enable you to see what you're doing.
Unfortunately, as we grow older, we require greater intensity of light to maintain our vision.
Comes complete with eye protection. This over the white wheel is plain, but this over the grey wheel has a magnifying glass in it. But you could fit those either way round. And then we have the truing tool, so that when you start to have addition in the wheel, you can true it off and level it up again. All comes complete.
Use the built-in bracket fitted to the top of the machine and you'll never misplace the truing tool ever again.
Very, very quiet to run, very, very nice to have and own. And as you can hear, as it quietly builds speed up, it is very, very quiet in operation. The BG6.
Introducing the Charnwood BGS bench grinder stand. You can see a heavy cast base with the ability to fasten it to the floor. Above this all metal construction, we have slots to store up to 8-inch wheels, and then we have a large coolant bath in a drawer. On top of that, there is a universal mounting plate, and there we have a BG6. They're all important figures.